Hi my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share my nourishing hot oil treatment pre-poo plus my hair mask weekly routine with you guys. So stay tuned and watch to the end. So as you guys can see, I boiled my okra and now I strain the okra. So the next thing I'm going to do, I add 2 tablespoons of oil, but the oil was not enough. I add one more to make it 3 tablespoons, and my honey, 1 teaspoon of honey. So after that, I hydrate my daughter hair and I'm applying it to my daughter because I have to forward the video because I don't want the video to be too much long, so that maybe people sometimes to sit down watch is something. So after apply my pre-poo to my daughter, I allow her sit like 30 minutes, and now you can see I'm opening her head. So after, even when I open it, I'm going to allow her sit again. If only she will accept, she will sit again like maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour or more than that. It depends, before I can take her and go and shower her. So make sure that if you are going to wash your head, the full wash, these are the steps that you have to do your hair. Start from the pre-poo, to hot oil treatment, from the hot oil treatment to hair mask or deep cleanser treatment. Okay, that will help you to keep your hair healthy and strong, and keep it more manageability, to be much more management for you. If your daughter also having stubborn hair, or you yourself you are having stubborn hair, I will advise you, this thing is for you and this channel is for you, because you will see how I'm doing my things. I'm not in hurry, I'm just doing it step by step. It's only that sometimes if the video is long, you can see I can forward the video just to make it a little bit short. So guys, as you guys can see, every part that I open, if I open one, I'm going to do was twisted it and add it to others also. That's the way that I'm going to do it until I finish everything. So when you are doing your hair or you are doing your child hair, you have to make sure you make it section by section. When you are going to wash it, that will make it easier and help you not to break too much. But if you just leave the hair open like that, sometimes washing it like you are washing your clothing or your children clothes you are washing, it can damage your hair also. So make sure when you are washing your hair, make it step by step. So now our pre-poo is finished. After opening, I'm going to cover her to sit like 30 to 1 hour before I bath her and we continue the job. So now she will sit here. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I finished shower hair, and the next thing is I'm doing the hot oil treatment. The hot oil treatment, how are they doing that one also? First of all, before you do the hot oil treatment, make sure you have your infusing oil, or you mix your oils together. You can put it inside the microwave like 15 seconds to 20 seconds if you are an adult person I'm talking about. But if you are going to apply it for a child, like for example my child, make it 10 seconds. I heat the hot oil 10 seconds. Or you can warm your hot oil also through from your fire. You will boil the water and put the hot oil inside the bottle or the plastic container or wherever that you keep your oil inside. Replace it inside the water, and so that the water heat will heat the oil before you can use to apply your hair or your daughter. But mind you guys, before applying it, you have to remember you have to hydrate your hair. Don't take the oil and just start to apply your dry hair like that. That one, it will not help you, it will break your hair again. So before you add the oil to your hair, make sure you hydrate your hair, let your hair get ready before you can do what, before you can apply your hot oil. And this thing is very good. Actually, try to be doing it at least once in a week, because this one, it doesn't matter whether you are having protectable style or you don't have protectable style. So this one, I make sure that every week I do it once in a week for myself and my daughter, because it's helping us keeping our hair healthy and strong. Because as we are in winter here, winter is like in Africa we have something like Hamatan, that season is breaking hair. So you have to know how to manage your hair to protect your hair from those breaking, from those season. So now guys, I'm putting my hot oil. When you are going to put the hot oil to your scalp or for your baby or for your child, make sure you start from the roof, okay? Don't start from the tip, because you have to start from the roof and come up. You know that roof, when the child or when your hair is growing through from the scalp, okay? The head is not growing because of your hair is long, it's coming. No, it's coming from the roof. So when you are going to do your hot oil treatment or any treatment that you are doing, make sure you starting it from your roof, massaging it, and also try to be massaging the places that you have problem, whether you have a ages problem or your back problem. Those places, make sure you be massaging it very well. So now guys, after I finished doing my hot oil treatment to my daughter, I allow her to sit down, but I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it and allow her to sit again. That one also, it depends, because I would love if only she can use this hot oil treatment to sit even 2 hours or 3 hours. I'll be very grateful. But if only she will not sit that way, anytime she's get angry and she started removing the heart, you know, I have to take her and go and bath her, because otherwise she will use the oils to make every place. So when you put it in your daughter, you have to make sure that your daughter will not use the oil to maybe spoil your places. Make sure you cover the hair very well, or yourself also, you can cover it. By hot oil treatment, some people even doing it and sleeping in night, but that one I think I cannot do it, so I will not say anything about that one, because for me to put the oil inside my hair like this, many oils, and go and sleep with it, I don't think I can sleep. So that's anyway. So after doing it, please let me know. When you do it, let me know how it go, okay? So she will sit down, and after I'm going to bath her. After bathing her, we'll continue the okra hair mask. So now guys, as you guys can see, I bring my okra out. I was cut the okra, keep inside the deep freezer. I bring it out now. So now I'm going to boil the okra. I'm going to make the okra and cornstarch hair mask, okay? So this video is just 3-in-1, because I started from the pre-poo. After pre-poo, I do the hot oil treatment. From the hot oil treatment, now I'm going to do hair mask for my daughter and I also, because the one remain, I'm going to use it. So first, boil your okra. Put your okra on the fire. Make sure you boil the okra. Please, when you are watching, don't forget, if you watch it up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscriber guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. So after this thing is started, the okra started boiling. You yourself, you know when the okra is ready. So that one I'm not going to talk. You yourself, you may understand that, okay, now my okra is ready for me to blend it. So when you know everything, so it doesn't matter to tell you the minutes that you have to boil it. When the okra is ready, you also will know. So now after boiling it this way, I'm going to bring it aside to get cold smell before I pour it inside my blender. So let's put it aside, and I started doing the cornstarch. Also, I'm going to prepare the cornstarch, because I'm going to mix it inside my okra to make for the mask. So after this way, you have to stay in it, otherwise it will make some bubble inside. The cornstarch will make bubbles, so you have to stay in it and make sure also it's not burned, because if you just leave it standing doing something else, by the time you return and you see that your cornstarch start to burn, so it will waste. So you have to make sure you get close to your fire while you are doing these things, okay? All these things I'm doing it because, like, if you don't have any protective style in your hair, then I will advise you, even hair mask, try to be doing hair mask also in your hair every week, once in a week, okay? It's very helpful. But if you have protective style for your inside your hair, then I will advise you the hot oil treatment. That one there, it doesn't matter whether you have protective style or you don't have protective style, you can use that one. You can make the hot oil treatment into your hair. That one also, try to be doing it maybe once. That one I'm doing every week. I'm doing hot oil treatment to myself and my daughter. By the hair mask there, I'm doing it maybe two in a week, 2 weeks time. I do once in 2 weeks time because I only do it when my daughter hair is ready for me to open it. And I'm making her hair only 2 weeks. If I do her hair 2 weeks time, I'm opening it. So 2 weeks time, every 2 weeks, I'm making the hair mask once so that I'll use for her and me myself I use. So after blend my okra, but still it still look like it's still warm or hot, so I use my fritter to strain it. So after straining it this way, I'm going to add my cornstarch. It's just like 2 tablespoons is that. So I'm going to pour it inside my okra, but I don't know if you are going to boil the okra with the cornstarch. That one, can it be okay? That one I don't know, unless maybe you just try and see. But this way, I think this way is the easier way and simple way to, and you will not mess every place. So after that, I bring my hand blender to blend it well. You can use the hand blender, or if you don't have hand blender, you can use normal blender to blend it. Or if not like that, then I don't know how solution you can do, or you can do it without adding the cornstarch, or you can make the cornstarch get light small. Okay, so after it get cool, I bring it from the fire and I mix everything. Now it's time for me to add 1 tablespoon of honey inside my hair mask. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon inside. So after adding this 1 tablespoon, I'm going to go ahead and add my infusing oil. This oil, I use clove and moringa hibiscus to infuse it. If you want to see the video, I have so many infusing oil, different type of infusing oil. You can check my channel. You can see any one that you want, or any ingredients that you have in your hands to infuse your oil. So after add my ingredients inside, the next thing you have to do is I have to mix it. So when you do yours, also the same process. I'm just taking you guys step by step for you guys to see how I go, how I started everything, how I end everything, so that when you are going to make yours, it will not be too much difficult for you. So this channel is for you. Try to save this video so that you can be coming back and watching it. So now I'm going to add my vegetable glycerin inside. Glycerin also is keeping hair moisturizing through all the day. So it's very nice when you add glycerin to your hair, to your maybe any treatment that you are doing, you add glycerin inside, and that's honey also keeping hair much more manageability. So after I finish everything, guys, I bring my hibiscus and clove water. That is my hydrating water. I started spraying it in my daughter's scalp because first I have to make the scalp get ready. As usual, I cannot take this mask just putting inside like that. I have to make the hair get ready before I can use the hair mask into her head. So now we are doing our work. And my daughter, the only thing that I love my daughter, actually, she can only disturb me if she wants something and I did not allow her to take, or she wants something, I say no, then that time she will show me pepper. But if not, she's just going to be sit down and I'm doing everything that I want from her hair. So now I started doing, after hydrate the hair, I started doing the hair mask inside. That is my hair mask that I'm doing inside. So make sure if you are going to do it section by section, and make sure that your hair is clean. Okay, don't do the hair mask inside dirty hair, because if you use it inside the dirty hair, you will not get the benefit that you want. But you are doing it because you want the benefit, right? So if you want benefit, make sure your hair is clean. Clean your hair, let your hair get clean very well before you use your hair mask inside. Okay, even the hot oil treatment, if you are going to do that one also, make sure your hair is clean. Everything that, make sure you wash your hair with shampoo, put your conditioner inside, and come out before you use the treatment inside. Please guys, I'm reminding you people, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across in this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. So let's continue. So after making the hair mask this way, That one also, as usual, I'm going to do it and I'll allow my daughter to sit down. That one, I was just going to allow her to sit like 30 to 40 minutes if she accepts, of course. If she accepts, she will sit down like 30 to 40 minutes before I took her. And this one, when you do it, you don't need to use shampoo again and you can just do it, but it depends. You can just do it and rinse it with look at how much how my daughter hair, look at the hair, look at how it's looking. So you don't need to rinse it with any shampoo again. But if you feel like the oil is inside your head, then you can use your deep conditioner, just use deep conditioner, not in shampoo again, so and wash it out. But the way you do it also, I don't think you will pour a lot of oil inside, and that oil can disturb you again while you are doing your treatment. So that's it, guys. Please support me by liking, sharing this video, and subscribe. Okay, I cannot take you guys for granted. Now we finish doing the hair mask. The next thing is I'm going to cover it all the time. This is the way I'm covering it. So I will use the shower cap to cover hair first. So after the shower cap, I'll bring the net also to do what, to use that one to cover her so that she can sit down or anything that she wants to do. Then I can be okay. I'll be okay. But if this thing, she remove it, anytime she remove it, then that's the time that I'll take it inside the bathroom to take a shower, because if not, she will use the thing to make every place mess. So that's it, my sisters, my mothers, my daughters. So try to support me by liking, sharing this video for us. You can see after everything, see my daughter hair. We wash it. After finish washing it, I was going to forget to take the video, and I started even to make protectable style again. I said, no, let me take some video for you people. Thank you very much for watching. I love you people. Bye bye.